Alright, guys, today we're checking out this KiCA Jet Fan Ultra, and I swear this thing is packaged like a weapon. You get the duster and four nozzles. They attach with magnets. Honestly, feels very futuristic. It's got a speed slider, a light button, and at the bottom we've got a USB Type-C charging port. There's also a dedicated turbo button. Let's try this out. Lights on. Yep, it works. Slide up, and oh my god, this thing is basically a jet engine in your hand. Watch this. Clearing leaves under my tree? Gone. Bigger leaves? Turbo mode, babies. Still gone. Flower pot weeds? It's like a hurricane in there. The dust at my door blasted into another dimension. And get this, I pointed it at my cherry tree and it literally knocked the cherry down, rolled it right off the branch. If it can move a cherry, you know this thing is next level. Overall, it's seriously powerful, super cool, and honestly, kind of fun to use. This is hands down the most futuristic air duster I've ever tried. Unlike canned air, this is rechargeable, eco-friendly, and reusable. Overall, the KiCA Jet Fan Ultra is stylish, powerful, and built to last. A fantastic tool for cleaning electronics, cars, and even outdoor use. I would highly recommend this duster. Thank you so much for watching.